What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate TV. Yes, so trending on social media today, we have two grown men who actually went to a shop to steal. I'll give you guys the details shortly after this particular break. Yes, so if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to join us by subscribing to this channel and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Yes, so trending on social media today, as I said earlier, two grown men, unfortunately for them, they went into a shop to actually steal. I mean, they are grown men, they are grown men. They look like, people's fathers, and it's so disappointing, and I'm asking myself what actually encouraged, what actually triggered them to go and steal from a shop. Is it that they didn't know there was a CCTV camera there or what? But unfortunately for them, the CC camera actually busted them. Per sources close to us, it seems that it's something that they actually do, but this time around they were not lucky. And guys, how the shop owner treated them, it will shock you. You ask yourself that, hey, so this man can give birth to him and he was doing this to them. But anyway, one also said that he had no option than to do that. Okay guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comment on this particular issue in the comment section below.
That person you are doing, you burn someone's laptop. When you saw the laptop and black market, are you a fool? Come on, how come you? Eh? A good man, what are you doing? Are you mad? So what are you doing here? What are you buying? What are you buying? Buy what are you buying?
He said he wants to buy 11. I got 11. Chairman. He said he wants to. Huh?
What do you want? What?
I'm asking the person.
Which color do you want?
Oh, come on.
Which color do you want? What's wrong with you people? We open shop, we get billion and selling food. Like food. Why? I get food. 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 Anyone? 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 Yes, sick. Yes, no. Yes, no. You don't know? Yes, somebody. Yes, no. Anyone? Hey. What shop? You better have a shop. You don't want to do people. Anyone? Why did you go there to steal? Why are you here?
So you are here to steal?
You're here to steal.
Huh?
Why are you here? Take your mask off. Take your mask off.
I want to see your face.
Show me your face.
Your face. Yes, look, you.
What's
Look
wrong
into
with
the
you?
camera.
Guys, so you watched the video and you saw what really happened. Do you, concur to what the shop owner did to them, or you think there is actually another way, or should have actually found another way of going about it and all that, or shouldn't have taken the law into his hands and be slapping them here and there and all that? Let me hear your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. Yes, so also we've come to the end of the Trends on Social Media show right here on that TGST. That's how we say. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. So anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms, but on Instagram especially is at odate.gt. And also don't forget to also log on to my blog www.odategnews.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.